this exhibition, which was a maiden initiative by the AMA, held at the DLF Promenade, this was a very first experience for me as far as malls go. And I must say, it was a wonderful experience in terms of footfalls, the kind of people we interacted with, and the general feedback one gets that what kind of paintings it that buildings sell. And I was lucky enough to sell a couple of my paintings, but besides that, I did a lot of networking for future orders, and that was very beneficial. It wouldn't have happened sitting at home. And for this thought process, having this go in her to get a platform like this for artists such like people like me, getting a platform which we can showcase our work, and it's been absolutely amazing experience. And thank you once again, Nava.
Participating in this exhibition has been a completely enriching and encouraging experience for me. Firstly, to share the stage with such talented artists from all over, learning their techniques, seeing their different kind of art. It's been a complete honor to share this platform with them. And I think the proudest moment for me was when somebody from the civil fraternity walked up and said, "Oh wow, you guys are all Army Officers' wives. This is such a great show." So it was wonderful, because I think for the first time we all in such a large group and on such a fantastic platform, we all showcased our work, which brought out the talent of the Army Officers' wives to the civil fraternity in a large way. So this was a very, very good experience for me, a memorable experience for me. It's also been fruitful, because I've received a confirmed order for 8 paintings, for which I just received in advance today. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
The exhibition organized by AWA was a huge success, and I'm very delighted to be part of it. Such events and such platforms inspire and encourage us to do more good work, and it was a delight to meet other fellow artists, to interact with them, and to meet people who admired our work. So it was a very successful event, and I'm looking forward to more such kind of events. And thank you so much, all of you, and best wishes to all. Thanks a lot.
The art exhibition held at DLF Promenade was very fruitful for me. I could not only showcase my work to the outside world, but also interact with the fellow artists of the olive green fraternity. There were oodles and oodles of compliment for my work, and few curators were interested in showcasing my work in their galleries. It was a very enriching experience indeed. I thank AWA for this wonderful initiative and would love to be part of such initiatives in future. Thank you.
On completion of this event, I want to share my feelings. This opportunity gave me a platform to showcase my talent. I made new friends, we shared our views, and it was a great learning from my peers. On completion of this event, I feel that I have gained immensely as a painter and as a human being. Thank you, AWA, for making it all feasible.
For giving us this opportunity to showcase our paintings in such a beautiful place like DLF as well as Pacific. I'm sure this is going to open a door of possibilities for each one of us. It is my personal request for each lady who is listening to this video to register on the AWA website and take this wonderful opportunity, because it may lead to success to a lot of us. Thank you once again.